Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a Sunday night draw. I've decided to do the monthly draw as a separate little video, obviously once every month, and this is the draw for March. So I'm going to go upstairs, put the names or put the details into the computer, and we're going to get a name. I'll be back down with that in a couple of minutes. Right, George, all you've got to do is send me an email, that's me, even if it's up there, and we'll get things moving, get things in the post here as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway for this month, which is April. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is obviously watch the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video. In the description box, just put a comment. The comment must say 2023 giveaway 4. 2023 giveaway 4. Then my computer can automatically pick that out of the comments and select a winner. I'm going to show the prizes now. You can possibly win next month. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. Little finger indicator. My friend Bob's had this one apart. Clean it up, it's all functions nicely, all ready to work. Set of Cleveland twist drills. I use these all the time and they're really good. And a Doubleboost process engineering book. If you happen to win and you can't use that, give it to somebody that can.